Rani mata binaka ni mbolo binaka.
Uno tama di sabat tumikin na gitu sa fire hotel bikin dito taka namukola ni sote.
Na wala tuman relew na bale busara na.
Kamu sote mo gori tura?
Kam ka nga do tunga may bale.
All one.
Tunga man ni kato.
Sa
Go so leto man donon to brada.
Oi.
Ule sira tunra.
Iya.
Wabinulu bale ube tamay buwa binabale usara sa matukumay na matakan dai. To everybody,
Yeah.
to everybody joining this morning, I would like to take this time to thank you.
Yeah.
Even though if we are not clarify enough
Alright.
with our calendar, we are only left with one solid month.
Still on
Okay.
kalenda?
Yeah.
Kento sa bultang chunon tu bol ni bulan ng onongo.
Oh, ka.
Sa chugan na front desk ni Salika
Agi,
Kumbraki na VTFM.
Oh.
Radio Siku may na 231 Waimon Road Suba.
Ketna.
Only $2
Oh,
kibuni.
julum. Na bula sa utingo na we are
last month.
we are go beyond 7 days of sa utin na mata ni Madaw ni November.
Right.
So we are here, we can see the stars. Ready na mga kalo-kalo. Yeah. That's a star where Bethlehem.
Kalkala mo natin taki.
Bethlehem. We are moving close now. We are sign now. Sa dila weekend.
Right.
Yes.
We are sign now.
Yeah.
Because of what? Because of the main event
Right.
of the year, as we know.
Alright.
Christmas and New Year.
Okay.
We are helpful enough. We take hands together, teamwork.
Right.
We are going together
Right.
to end the
Move
year
forward.
all together.
Right.
Yeah.
Someone says choka naman ni sote miyaw tamay fina.
Oh, Tamay Fina, Tamay Fina is from UK.
Oi.
Yeah, he joined from somewhere in UK in
Cell breast.
Salisbury. Salisbury City from UK.
Yeah.
Kelere Vinabale Sara. And also to Tabale,
Yeah.
it's Aleo Kabika, Epanes.
Yeah.
Oh, belum
He
nak.
joining from Auckland.
Right.
Bonini all the kids,
Yeah.
all the led from Lutu and Imbuka Nitasiri
Double
up.
for their exam this week.
Okay.
Tutok.
Mula tal sunga mingo o atela rokon rausa.
Yeah.
Tan rabina ko vini ratu.
Ori.
Melina available blessed Thursday.
Yeah.
Oh.
Iya, wano ni nakatian ni nabuko ni Ngarawi tabi na matagani ko. Iko sili bay.
Hey, every time, nobody can beware of this one.
Oh, okay.
You know, the sunshine is up. Nararama satu.
Yeah.
If you never take bath this morning,
Yeah.
please pray for yourself.
Why?
Because you never do something irrelevant.
Because yesterday,
Yeah.
as in nandawa no water in the afternoon.
Oh, today too.
No.
Oi.
Like last night, then there is water.
Oi.
Oh.
But I don't know about Lolo because Lolo.
Lolo move full
little bit
force.
high in the hill.
In Valelebu,
Yeah.
if every place is no water,
Yeah.
Valelebu is a blessed place.
Why?
Lolong bu izwe de pam daw de pam tegi uchikan oi.
Yo. May komba. Wanga likuswaswa. Waisa na maua. Mula binaka all the way from Nasama village. Waisa na maua.
Yeah.
Right.
From Singatoka joining this morning.
Yeah.
And not forgetting Tinay Kala.
Yeah.
He passed
Ball.
the sea.
Oi.
Tako sa matunong ko na why living na Tobi,
Okay.
going to Manuelebu, Tinay Kala lewa.
Oi.
These women from Matanuk in Kandabu.
Oi.
He passed
Oi.
Manuelebu, going to Natobi. Pass
Okay.
Natobi.
Chinele talbanga ngole chiga nangonongo na buri soko de bitaladi.
Right.
Ilambasa ni boni bina kana buri soko wasa. Nato binombo walo na matakango.
Hector Zing Jr. boleh binaka Francis Wilkia,
Yeah.
the one who working for the
Kayad.
yeah.
Okay,
Ronald.
Sione Maxiale boleh binaka pa.
Right.
Not forgetting all the families of the Melnician
Iya, Dina.
who have been celebrating
Celebration starts today.
Right.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much for joining this morning.
Yeah.
And also,
Yeah.
wait.
Laman ni basi ni tamay doon ko may motukola.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tuning in this morning.
Oh, Honorio Nataro.
Yeah.
Not forgetting Waisa Namua Mekrambeta and the family joining this morning.
Okay, donga nataro bi ko na matakango. What do you like about December, the end of the year?
December is a very helpful month.
Okay, why?
Even though we are struggling from January to November,
Right.
that's the only time you see your family. If you are in a working site.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
December is where we come and socializing.
Okay.
December,
Yeah.
it's a month that stops
The nation.
a nation.
Na Melbourne Cup.
Yeah.
December
Place your bet.
Yeah.
is where pen and paper
Yeah.
are post.
Yeah.
Damiling ka na buli.
Right.
Right.
December
Yeah.
is where you meet your best friend.
Hindi na.
December, like 5 years back or 6 years back, you think about this December? You always ask to go and walk into the west every time.
That's why
Yeah.
I'm healthy. December, he is a very, because everybody gathered
Right.
all together and we celebration for the December, but
Yeah.
only one day.
Yeah.
And another thing,
Yeah.
start from January,
Yeah.
we plant the tandalo.
Right.
Yeah.
We plant tandalo for December.
Right.
We raising the pig
Yeah.
for December.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are planning for the song of the Bagamau Tebu and everything.
Everything December.
December.
Everything,
Yeah.
right.
December.
Yeah, it's
we,
December.
If we put December as a main,
Yeah.
he's a pocket.
Oi.
Kwento na tanga.
Pocket Wi-Fi.
Pocket wifi ko na Facebook.
Oi.
Yeah. Because every time we come, it's
Yeah.
only one day. But we plant 1,000.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
We are saving 1,000.
Yeah. Just one day.
Just one day.
Eh, usah ngamin?
Imagine this day.
I want
Yeah.
to ask you that 1,000. Isn't
Yeah.
that a waste?
It's not a waste.
Oi.
It's a life. It's a process.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a...
No,
One
because
day.
you're saving for only one day.
Yeah.
And one day, all those saving goes like...
Think of what you come through from the 11th month.
Yeah.
Okay.
From the January to November.
Not 9 months, no.
Apa maksud tu? From January to November.
Yeah.
Think of the day you are struggling.
Someone asking, Samuel Lantawabi
Yeah.
asking, what animal do you like the best?
You, Samuela. Then from there,
Yeah.
everybody is
Yeah.
we are looking for. Lebura bos takime na laman di bula.
Right,
Yeah.
Laman yang baki.
Talkative.
Right.
You talkative to the boss, talkative to you.
And the boys, this is when they find their partner.
Yeah.
For life, eh? Like you, eh?
Right.
Yeah, everybody knows.
That's why I'm asking
Not
you.
only me,
You think
not
about-
only you, everybody.
Think
Everybody.
about 5 years ago, where were
Yeah.
you in December?
No, very good. Every time we are socializing together with the family, not only the family, some of the family are from outer, like the friends.
Yeah.
They come together because they want to having fun for during the Christmas.
Yeah.
And some of us too,
Yeah.
we are forgettable,
Right.
not forgettable. The
Yeah. Unforgettable.
unforgettable
Right.
of the December because
Yeah.
some of us lose our partner.
Right.
Yeah. Some of us
Okay.
lose lives.
Yeah.
Sure, mayal non rambula.
Dinasar nemis.
Some of us
Yeah.
Yeah.
lose control
Right.
of
Sorry.
Why you lose control? Why?
Make me
Because-
lose control.
because
Yeah.
the family,
Yeah.
we have to go into the Christmas
Yeah. Festive season, eh?
festive season. We are talking from the husband and wife.
Yeah. Dina.
Please be disciplined.
Glory.
Don't drink grog.
Yeah.
Don't drink
right.
Was down.
was down.
Yeah.
And from there we see our tabale. We
Yeah.
don't want to lose there.
Yeah.
We lose our wife.
Dinasar.
We lose our husband.
Dinasar.
Because of
Tutag
tabale.
ng money.
Tabale.
Yeah.
Listen.
Tag na money.
If the kid is crying,
Yeah.
we leave.
Yeah.
Because of our tabale.
If you lose your wife, you take the tamale.
Tabale, be careful. We are running out of water now.
Yeah, because of tamale. Because the wife said, don't go. Tamale call, you go.
Huh?
So if the wife said, don't go, you look after the children, eh?
Yeah.
And you listen to tamale
Yeah.
call.
Yeah.
And you go.
And
So
after
when
that,
you go,
Yeah.
the wife go.
Yeah.
You take tamale home.
Take
Apa
the
kami
balik.
ko rezeki pale? Drobe wa ini.
thank you very much for this morning. You know, we are coming from a festive season. Be careful of your decision.
Right.
If you know
Yeah.
the was down
Yeah.
can take you to court.
Yeah.
If you know was down
Yeah.
can can the tunon the mol musu kaya kau kilani
English,
mol
English.
English,
If
English.
you know is your peer pressure is was down.
Yeah.
Kaya kilani no mito karin rendre and
English,
if
English.
you know your was down, if you was down,
Yeah.
is taking you in a
Yeah.
big farm.
Yeah. Ano?
If you know was down can take you to big farm.
Yeah. Don't.
I told you.
Yeah.
End.
End it.
Before it ends you.
Right.
Iyo.
Right.
So we can dan matin do sini.
How about the girlfriend ask you, let's go and wash down?
Right. They
Who?
just have 2 jugs.
Yeah.
They are at,
The girlfriend.
Cappuccino.
Uy, cappuccino may muso. Ang galalay to ka nagkanasuka. Lay. Ang malindo asuret yan. na talo Ramani Balang. Are wet. Sada pasar ngaike. Benavale Punjas. Sekalian ini exciting prizes this Diwali.
Ayo Saramin.
Angang goroks.
Iya.
Eta pun ko reu kay lele na suka. Kang ko sabo. Benavale bu.
Benavale Punjas. Kalau kata sekarang udah bitokai di bikin sar-sar cuma bina drama kita kata ko William Mere o Tidai Fina John Tamali dai balu Shirley mula menaka bina wala sarana di turakan di balu bukan di bina tu yang bukan di bitokai
Ya na talon din na.
Iya.
Kero tu kaya batakin dari singki rocks. Kaya mama. Angkay sulit ko minta nama Ramani Balang. Kito ang gali lang ko be tapos ita kaya.
Iya.
Salitu ita kaya.
Ano ni coffee?
Kuya nakayaw sinikila.
Uy baleta.
Ni ulang ko minakoro.
Oh so.
Sa kaya matay ninong ko sa kay on tumay.
Iya.
Angkay tu kuno rocks. O datang na ko biyang uno ba. Sa ubang ko siya nga rocks. Ayaw kailangan tin roka.
Iya.
Na domboy. Ranimoli. Na
Iya.
sudu.
Iya.
Kuya ratong ko siya nikila. Usa kay barong tu. Nanumati urtaw.
Iya.
De ayaw kila
Iya.
Au sabang rocks ayaw na kanga.
Sui.
Super market Susana. Alo ni mo ko hasin bera mo rocks mo. Oda.
Iya.
Au kaya uto matanga kiko. Baka mo pretend to yan ni
Ni pretenden no kila.
ni kila usini kila.
Iya.
O tia rocks uto matanga kiko. Oda sara rocks. Asin bera mo maramala. And you both. Both. Sin this one. Don't worry, it's okay. It's okay. And ni rabitan lagi pala ngira on kana cappuccino kaya may matanggali. Usara bitu, tunggu berok satu kono rok. Kaya rabitan lo ngaya ba?
Iya.
Ni tebeli?
Iya.
Butuh kenapa nak? Tu ko sa kinta tu mena apa ubina kata.
Iya.
Ngai suka, sini baka na suka may bali, baka tang bili suka sa nabon ng titaleso.
Iya.
Kung nakani hotel ko kambas.
Iya kamu sih.
Gaya ko sa sara ni biro ro kin tu
Suka
suka.
bang, bos nga ba sa rito ka di Balang? Liuna suka.
Alam mo ko rin na matakin dulu. Au menita kiba. Ang kita kiba nakapacin siya tama ya. Ko buso.
Iya.
Dir nga dir tu mo ngeda. Ang kay binakate ang mutis ta karo ili weda biduru ka ko siya nga. Ang kita kiba indela na takiba indela takiba sa tunga buso bitang elomang ko bangko rocks bedala. Hanggo sabo.
Bina rin po, bina walam sara. Kalau kata na mo ni
Ganto tan matanggal ibig magaro kito boleh ya. Mga rocks na uto ti taleni no no kita rakin na punuan ko. Nambulan kay dolo. Sini kay dolo.
Kamu bikin.
Kamu. Wango rocks sabunong ko ndar ni bitala-tala.
Kaya rito na lo kini matay di Balang.
Iya.
Rami de kinabuso.
Ramo ta kinabuso. Demasi. Kita sana ba, thank you very much. See you again.